Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And today's video is going to be a part of my self-care series, which is going to be another unboxing video. And this unboxing is for my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So I'm going to go ahead and get the video started. So this is how it looks when it comes out of the bag. And I'm just going to take the bag. As you can see, it's just a plain Louis Vuitton bag. And I'm going to take this and put it to the side. So this is how they have the box and bag gift wrapped. As you can see, it has the ribbon and also the receipt. So yeah, it's cute. So we're going to go ahead. So the receipt just comes like this. And I got this bag in particular because, as some of you know, I'm from Michigan. So this bag was out of stock at our Michigan store in Detroit. So I had to drive to Chicago for it. And we went to the Louis Vuitton on Michigan Mile. And this bag I paid, well, it retailed for $1,760, but with Chicago's sales tax, it added an additional $180. So that's one thing you need to consider when shopping in Chicago, that their sales tax is a lot higher than other places. So a grand total, I paid $1,940. And this is actually a birthday purse that I got for myself. So that's how the receipt comes. Then it has the card with the sales rep and then the address. So we're going to go ahead and start unboxing it. Oh, I don't want to get rid of my bow, but so we're going to do it this way. And the easier way, if you don't want to get rid of your bow, I could have just slid it off, but now that it's gone, we're going to move on. Okay. So it comes like this with the dust bag. We're going to go ahead and take it out. I'm getting excited already like I never seen the bag. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Oh, it even smells good. So this is the bag. I'll do a close-up for you. As you can see, the Louis Vuitton detail in the front. And I'm just going to set this on the floor. Ooh. Okay, so this is my Alma BB in the Epi leather, black in color, or Noir. And this is how it looks. And I'm just going to go over the different details, why I decided to get this bag over any other bag. I'm gonna show you this side. So I like this bag because, one, I'm one of those people, I really love leather bags. And if you've seen any of my other Louis Vuitton reviews, you know I have the Epi Noir and the Never Full as well, because I really love this leather. Like, the quality is, I love it. It's very luxurious. So I'm just going to show you the different details that this bag has. So it has the Louis Vuitton symbol down here. As you can see, it has the silver hardware. It has the lock right here. I'm going to do a close-up for you. And you can see the mini Louis Vuitton details on the zippers as well. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it over. You can see it has the pouch, and then it has the keys in here. You can see the mini key holders. And I know a lot of people like this bag is because, one, you can, when you lock this bag up, you can store the keys right here. So that way you don't lose the keys, and then you can just lock it up here. And then another thing that I really love about this bag is when you open it, and you can hear how sturdy the zipper is as well. Oh, it has some goodies on the inside. So we're gonna, so this bag, it has these, so it has the straps to go on the side. And you'll just connect that. So I like to connect mine in the front. Ooh, nail's a little bit long. See if I can get it. In the front there. Oh, we'll grab that after the video. And then in the back. So then you have it like this to where you can wear a crossbody, or you can hold it like this. Either way. And this bag probably looks a lot smaller on camera. So I'm going to do another video about what actually fits in here. Okay, and I'm just going to show you what else is inside of the bag. Take that out. So in this bag has it's a gray cowhide material in the center. And then you can see that it also has a pocket right here. So if you have any extra small stuff that you want to put in there, you can go ahead and slide it in that pocket. But it does have a lot of space on the inside. And then one of the other things that I love about this bag is that the bottom. So the bottom does have some metal hardware. So then when you sit it down, it sits straight up. And then when you sit it down, you're not actually getting the leather on the surface of whatever surface you're putting it on. And I love that about the bag. And I'm just going to tell you what's in this pouch as well, which I believe this is just some extra Louis Vuitton packaging, but I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, so it has the serial number of the bag. And this bag is the M40862. So if you want to get this exact same bag, you can search that number on the website, and this bag and color will pop up. Then it has just some information letting you know that the inside interior is the cowhide leather. And I know these little bags are where people normally store their Louis Vuitton keys. So if you don't want to have your keys, where was that? So if you don't want to have your keys in here, you can store it in this bag. And then this piece is just showing you how to care, just some care instructions showing you how to care for your bag. So yeah. Oh, and another thing I wanted to point out on this bag is, hold on, I'm going to go ahead and close it up. On the side, you'll see this where it tells you that it says Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Because one of the things I know people don't know is that none of the Louis Vuitton purses are actually made in the United States. Like, these are always made in France. And another fun fact about this particular bag is that this was created in the 1930s, and it was actually personally designed for Coco Chanel. So that's a fun fact about this bag that I learned while I was in the store. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting this bag, I would highly recommend it. Because out of all the bags that I have, I would say this one is now my favorite. Because I like how small it is. Because most of the bags that I have now, I have either the tote, the Never Full, or the Speedy, which you hold it like this. And I like that this has both options, even so I can wear it as a crossbody. And it's just a smaller option because you can dress this up and also dress it down, whether you want to wear a dress or you want to wear jeans. This bag is perfect for both looks. So yeah, if you're thinking about a bag, go ahead and grab this one. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this bag. And if you want me to do a review comparison, comparing this bag to the Never Full version with the Epi Noir leather. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on social media, my Facebook and my Instagram is I Am Destiny Adams. If you want to know more business tips, that is the Traveling Hair Boss. And also, if you want to get this shirt, my Bossy AF shirt, you can go to IamDestinyAdams.com. And that page also has, if you need travel and business resources, and also a bunch of freebies that'll also help out your business. So yeah, head on over there, sign up for my email list. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Help your girl out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good day and stay tuned for the next video.